Hi, welcome to Design and Code. Today we are going to see how to create a poster in Photoshop and motion graphic in Adobe Premiere. First, I have created a poster in Photoshop with layer wise and taken an avatar image and created a layers with some text and logo and background, some image layers to animate in the background. So once after creating it and save it in the Photoshop with some layers which are visible, and after that open the Premiere Pro, Adobe Premiere Pro, and drag the PSD file into the Premiere Pro libraries and include those layers into the template with the open files. Click on OK. Selecting all the layers should be visible. It will be included in the Premiere Pro timeline and go into that folder, drag all those files into the timeline where we are going to create the animation effects. Once the layer, once you have dragged the files, arrange them in the layer wise. I am checking whether all files are included into this. So once arrange those into the layer wise in the time. As you can see, after importing the layers, arrange it in a proper way based on the layers are imported from the PSD file Photoshop. And here one more thing is I have added a background video as a floating video like sky. As you can see, sky, and I have given uh, this character where it will animate. Animate like this. So this is the simple one where you can create it. I will include step by steps in the next video how to create it in a step by step motion pictures, motion posters in a simple way using Photoshop and Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching.